अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। तो दोस्तों, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है मेंटलिज्म। ये जो मेंटलिज्म की थ्योरी है ये नोम चॉम्स्की ने दी थी। सबसे पहले नोम चॉम्स्की की के बारे में मैं आपको बताता चलूँ। नोम चॉम्स्की इज़ एन अमेरिकन लिंग्विस्ट। नोम चॉम्स्की जो थे वो अमेरिकन लिंग्विस्ट थे, फिलासफर, हिस्टोरियन, सोशल क्रिटिक एंड पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट के। वो अमेरिकन लिंग्विस्ट थे, फिलोसफर थे, हिस्टोरियन और सोशल क्रिटिक, पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट भी थे। समटाइम्स कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न लिंग्विस्टिक, और समटाइम्स उनको फादर ऑफ लिंग्विस्टिक कहा जाता था। चॉम्स्की इज आल्सो मेजर फिगर इन एनालिटिक फिलॉसफी एंड वन ऑफ फाउंडर ऑफ फील्ड ऑफ कॉग्निटिव साइंस। मेंटलिस्ट के बारे में अब मैं आपसे कुछ बात करता हूँ। तो द मेंटलिस्ट थ्योरी, आल्सो नोन एज इनएट थ्योरी ऑफ लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन, वाज डेवलप्ड इन मिड 20th century 1959 by renowned American linguist Noam Chomsky. It emerged as a reaction against the behaviorist language learning theory. Chomsky's proposal just breathed a new life into old concept and confirmed its formalization. Mentalist is a psychological theory that states human possess a conscious mind and that mind can influence behavior. Theoretical basis. The theoretical assumptions underlying the mentalism theory are as follows. Children are born with a special ability to systematically discover for themselves the underlying rules of a language system. This special ability enables them to learn complexities of language in a relatively short period of time. Environmental differences may be associated with some variation in rate of language acquisition. Evidence used to support Chomsky's innate theory. Eric Lenneberg's concept of a critical period is best evidence for Chomskyan proposal. Lenneberg suggested that there is a biologically predetermined period of life during which language can be acquired through most easily. Beyond this time, language becomes increasingly difficult to acquire. Through this statement, Lenneberg provided a strong support for Chomskyan claim that language is innate determined. This is still a controversial view, and many linguistics and psychologists do not believe language is as innate as Chomsky argues. The poverty of stimulus argument. The first argument in favor of this statement is concerned with logical problem of language acquisition, which behaviorists fail to recognize. The poverty of stimulus argument. The argument stated that the language the child is exposed to in environment is full of confusing information and does not provide all information which child needs. Children learn to use very complex language structures without large rules and patterns that they eventually know. The next one is यूनिवर्सल ग्रामर। जो यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज के अंदर चॉम्स्की ने यूनिवर्सल ग्रामर यूज की थी वो। चॉम्स्की ओपिन्स दैट लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ सेट ऑफ हैबिट्स बट इट इज rule governed. Subsequently, the mind is responsible for perception and processing of linguistic data. This mechanism is referred to as LAD. LAD stands for Language Acquisition Device. LAD consists of universal grammar (UG), and all languages are basically formed with that universal ground. UG doesn't claim that all human languages have same grammar. Rather, UG provides a set of basic grammatical elements or fixed elements that are common in all natural languages, which explains how children acquire through their language. Counter arguments on innate theory. The following arguments represent the fact that same of percepts of innate theory should be refined. The psychologist Jerome Bruner opined that language acquisition not only depend on LAD but also language acquisition support system. It is possible that children have inborn capability to follow certain grammatical principles, but their acquisition of words depends crucially on their environment. For example, English children learn English because their language acquisition support system is English. Transformational generative grammar. Transformational generative grammar is a set of grammar rules that are used when basic clauses are combined to form more complex sentences. An example of transformational generative is idea that sentences have surface structure and deep structure levels. इससे आगे B.F. स्किनर की बिहेवियरिज्म की थ्योरी है जो आने वाली वीडियोस में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा। मिलूंगा आपके साथ ऐसी ही एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक वॉच किया करें और कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताया करें कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है या नहीं आई, ताकि मैं आपके लिए अपनी वीडियो को और बेहतर बना सकूं। मैं मिलूंगा आपको अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।